In English, whenever we want to connect two sentences or two fragments, we use some conjunctions, right? Like and, but, or. So, if I say, I'm playing football and he's reading book. So here, I've just connected two sentences by using the conjunction and, right? So, in Arabic, at the same way, there are some handful of ors that are used for connecting two sentences, two fragments, or two asma. So, those words are called حروف العطف, okay? And whatever comes after حروف العطف is called معطوف على. The most important thing that you have to know in this case is that the حروف العطف and معطوف على carry the same status. Okay, so if I give you an example, so Allahu wa Rasulu. Okay, so here wow is a harf ataf, and whatever comes after harf ataf is called ma'tufun ala. That means here a Rasul is ma'tufun ala lafzul jalala. Okay, so now the most important thing I have said that it carries the same status. So just if you look the word, I mean lafzul jalala, the status is rafa, number is singular, gender is masculine, and and type is proper. Okay, now let's have a look the ma'tufun ala. Here a rasul, right? So status is rafa, number is singular, and gender is masculine, and type is proper because of alif lam. That means here wow, it carries the same status. Okay, so most commonly used harful atop in Arabic is wow, which is translates as and. Okay, so that's the main thing. Thank you.